talk about it. But how can you differentiate science and literature?
Ma'am, science is fact and literature is opinion.
Okay. Science is fact. What is the opposite of fact? What is the opposite for fact? If I
Ma'am,
had to talk about literature. Fiction. Very good. Fact and literature is fiction. Very good. Any other point?
Ma'am, imaginary.
Okay. Imagination. Is science imagination? Literature is imagination.
Literature.
Very good. Very good. Literature is imagination. So, what is science? If literature is imagination, science will be factual and
Ma'am, reality.
very good. Factual and reality and logical. Very good. Any other point? Any other point? On the basis of accuracy. On the basis of accuracy.
Ma'am, science has a proof and literature does not have proof.
Okay, you cannot prove literature, but you can prove science. Okay. Science is completely accurate. Okay, and literature. Does literature have to be accurate?
No, ma'am.
No, very good. Literature does not have any relation with accuracy. Very good. Any other point? Any other point?
Ma'am, please make everyone as an attendee.
I had already done that. Who's left? Who's left now? Just a second, sorry. Done? Yeah? Now tell me. Any other point? Science is discovery and literature is creativity. Okay? Science is discovery, literature is creativity. Science, okay, science is curiosity. Literature is your, again, imagination and creativity. Science is helpful for human development and literature reflects ideas, inspire humans. Okay? Any other point? Any other point?
Ma'am, on a light, ma'am.
Science is present in the physical world.
Sorry, Kanak, can you repeat?
Science is present in the physical world, ma'am. We can see examples.
Okay, very good. Literature?
Literature is imaginary again.
Imagination. Imagination. Okay, very good.
Now more theoretical, we can write oppositely.
Theoretical, yeah. Be more of practical science and it's more like theoretical.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want to say something, ma'am. On a lighter note, ma'am, science is difficult to understand and literature is easy to understand.
Okay, science is difficult to understand. Literature is also difficult to understand if you go on a deep literature. Yeah? Don't think, not as difficult as science, obviously.
Ma'am, but isn't science
Yeah.
somewhere imaginary too?
How can science be imaginary?
Ma'am, science is
You
theoretical.
make
Theoretical
hypotheses.
physics is,
You
ma'am,
make
is so.
hypothesis. If you're talking about that you imagine a hypothesis, then are you talking about that?
Ma'am, for example, theoretical physics is all imagine its outcome too. Based off
Same
facts, of
way I'm
course,
saying.
but we are
Yeah.
imagining at a point.
Same thing I'm saying, hypothesis. So in science, you create hypothesis, okay, and then you do this. Okay, so you say yes or no. So you prove it either right or you prove it wrong. So your imagination is still your hypothesis only. But you need science, you need logic, you need facts to prove it true or false. In theoretical physics also, what is theoretical physics is that they create hypotheses. Yeah, they create.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please, everyone attendee.
I have already done that.
Ma'am, there's someone
There
who.
are many students who are presenters and they are removing attendees from the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Actually, I have to make that individually because my meeting options is not loading. Just a second.
And whenever someone rejoins, he is automatically a presenter.
There's some problem with my Teams. I am not able to open that meeting option. So I have to make individually everyone an attendee.
Ma'am, the number of presenters are increasing.
How
Ma'am,
is that?
maybe when someone join the meeting late, he will become a presenter.
I'll try again.
Ma'am, I think some people are rejoining meeting to become
Wait,
presenter.
wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it won't happen. Now it won't happen, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue. Yeah, so what is theoretical physics? Theoretical physics is basically, as far as I know, okay, I do not have much understanding of science and everything. So what is theoretical science or what does theoretical physicists do? They make an hypothesis, okay? They make an assumption, okay, on the previous data or on the previous statistics. They make an assumption and then experimental physicists or experimental scientists, they prove it to be true. As far as I know, this happens, okay? So science, again, you need imagination till the time you are creating an hypothesis. After that, it's all logical and factual. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's move on to the Browning version. So we'll be doing character sketch. Okay, quickly. I'll be discussing it with you. I've already written down the points on the board. I'll send it. Okay, I'll write about Frank. Okay. Tell me what kind of a person was Frank? What kind of a person was Frank?
Ma'am, Frank is full of jealousy and prejudice.
Prejudice, not prejudice, but yes, jealousy, not prejudice. How jealousy? How is he jealous of Crocker Harris?
Ma'am, because he envies the effect Crocker Harris has on the boys of his class.
Okay, very good. He also wants to have that kind of influence upon his students. Okay, so first of all, introduction. He's a dynamic young science teacher. Yes. He's a lenient. Okay. Lenient teacher. He's well liked amongst the students, frank and well liked. Next, quickly, he also feels that his relationship with them is too informal. His relationship with students. His relationship with students is too informal. Okay, and that's why he is afraid that this undermines his efforts on education. The students don't take him seriously. Undermines his efforts on education. Any other point? Any other point? Okay, moving on. Crocker Harris. Tell me about Crocker Harris. Tell me about Crocker Harris.
Ma'am, Crocker Harris is a very structured teacher
Okay,
who is hard on students, and
okay.
he hated and he hated to be liked by the students.
Okay, very good. More points? Okay, disciplinarian. Any other point? He is the protagonist of the play. Who is the protagonist?
Ma'am,
Main
the
character.
main character.
Yeah, the main character. He is the protagonist of the play. He creates an atmosphere of intimidation between his students. Eh? Intimidation means that he intimidates them, means that everyone basically, gets afraid, and every student is like, oh no, I'm afraid of him, of that teacher particularly. Okay, so he intimidates everyone. And he also knows that he is generally disliked. Any other point? Any other point? Anyone wants to add? See, character sketch is very important. Since this will be your subjective paper, one character sketch will count. Okay, now Tableau. Tell me about Tableau. Tell me about
Ma'am,
Tableau.
Taplo is a student and he's obedient and hardworking. He's interested in studying science instead of all classics.
Very good.
And ma'am, he never disrespects his teacher while talking about them. Behind their
Very
backs.
good. Very good. He never disrespects. Any other point? Bhavya, do you want to add? Dishita? Okay, he's a 16-year-old boy He desires to specialize in science subjects. He is also frank and straightforward about Crocker Harris. Okay, he does not hesitate talking about him. Okay, he is frank and he is also straightforward. Okay, and he is also obedient. He is also obedient. Okay, he obeys the teacher and he is always respecting them. Okay, that's it. Now we'll be doing elements of a play. We will be doing Aristotle's elements of a play. What is a play? What is a play? Rishabh, answer. Shashwat.
Ma'am, a sketch that is performed in theaters.
Ma'am,
Sketch. Yeah,
a
tell
story
me.
that is performed in front of a live audience.
Very good. Very good. Play is a piece of writing that is intended or that has the intention of performing on a stage. Very good. Now, what are our elements? We'll be discussing the elements, then I'll be uploading one sheet on elements of a play on Teams, and you will be filling it up and upload it tomorrow itself. Okay, now, first element is, can anyone tell me the elements of a play? Generally, what do you think? What should be in a play?
Ma'am, the
Characters.
Ma'am, narrator.
Characters. That is all included in characters.
plot,
Plot, very good. Someone said
Ma'am,
the third
setting.
one. Setting, very good.
Taking place.
Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6.
Storyline.
Sorry?
Storyline, ma'am.
That is plot. Plot, character, setting. Anything else matters?
Twist.
Script.
Twist, ma'am.
Twist. Okay, that is again plot.
Spectators, like audience.
Okay, audience.
Ma'am, audience, why is it compulsory?
And props to attract the
Because
audience.
play is always intended to perform in front of an audience. Okay,
Ma'am, but they
so
don't
if
play a part in it.
no audience doesn't play a part in it, but if there is a play that is being performed on a stage, if there is no one, there is no spectators, there is no one to watch the play, there is no use. Play is always intended to be performed on a stage and to give either a kind of a social message or just for entertainment. For example, just a simple example, if you go and watch a movie in a movie hall, the movie is just playing. Have you ever seen that the movie is just playing and the hall is empty? No, it doesn't happen like that. Okay, so we need audience. But it's not a part of a play, it's not an element of a play, but it is required. Okay, we will not add it an element of a play.
And are movies also considered a play?
No, I'm just giving you an example of importance of an audience. Movie is not a play. Okay. Now, if on a stage I have the storyline in my mind, I have the characters, I have the setting, what more do they need? What will they do on the stage?
Dialogue.
Dialogue. Thank you. Very good. That is called as diction.
Ma'am, is a
Now-
monologue considered a play?
Sorry?
Is a monologue considered a play?
Monologue is a part of the play.
Ma'am, if somebody is giving a speech, could it
If
be
there is,
considered a play?
if there is like, there was one play called as One Woman Play. Okay, so what was that play? That play was basically a monologue only. That was like one woman just, talking about her life on a stage. There is a play called It's One Woman Play, something like this. Okay, but monologue is usually, I have rarely seen a play with only one character. Okay, we need more characters obviously. So monologue becomes a part of the play. Okay, so for example, the play is happening and in between the character comes and gives a monologue. Okay, it's basically a part of the play. Okay, so let's do one by one. What is plot? Plot is the main action of the play. Okay, basically what is the main action? Okay, what is the main action? And it also tells you about characters' objectives. It also tells about characters' objectives. Now, in the Browning version, we have the plot. What is the plot? What is the character's objectives? What does the character want? For example, let's take an example of Taplow. What does Taplow want in the entire play?
Ma'am, he wants to play golf.
No, not a part of it.
And he
Basically,
wants
the entire
to
play.
study science.
He wants to?
And he prefers studying science over English.
Science, okay. Okay, he wants to study science. And there is one word starting from R. What is that word?
Then he wants his remove.
Yeah, very good. He wants his remove. So that is the plot. The entire plot goes around that Taplow wants his remove. And what does Frank want? What does Frank want? What does Frank want?
Information on Crocker Harris.
Okay, Frank wants to become like Crocker Harris. He wants information on him so that he can also have that kind of influence upon students. Very good. So that is plot. Character. Who is the protagonist?
Ma'am, Mr. Crocker Harris, sir.
Very good. Crocker Harris is the protagonist, and this also tells about the relationship of protagonist with others. Okay. Now, what kind of a relationship does Crocker Harris has with Taplow?
Student teacher.
Okay. What kind of, like, how does that relationship goes about?
Respectful.
Respectful. Okay. What kind of a relationship does Crocker Harris has with Taplow?
Ma'am, respectful, disciplined.
Okay. With Frank. Crocker Harris with Frank.
Ma'am, jealousy.
Jealousy. Okay, Frank wants to become like Crocker Harris. Taplow basically thinks that Crocker Harris is strict. Still, he respects and likes him. Okay, so basically character sketch. The third thing that we have is thought. The third element is thought. Okay, thought is why. Thought is why. Why does the character want what he wants? Okay, it is the psychology behind the character's action. Why does Taplow want his remove? Why does Taplow want his remove? Answer quick.
Not to be promoted.
So that he can be promoted. Okay. Why does Frank encourage Taplow to speak more about Crocker Harris?
Ma'am, because Frank was jealous of Mr. Crocker Harris, ma'am, because he wanted to be like wanted to be an influencer to the students like Mr. Crocker Harris, sir.
Okay, very good, because he wants to have the influence like that. Why does Millie send Taplow away? It is not written in the play, but I've told you before. Why does Millie? Yeah.
Ma'am, because Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris wanted to be left alone with Frank.
Very good, very good. So thought tells you why. Very good, all of you. Next is our diction. Diction is the dialogue. Diction is the dialogue. This is how the characters uses dialogue to achieve their objectives. I'll repeat it again. How the characters uses their dialogue to achieve their objectives. Tell me an example from the play. Tell me an example from the play. How does a character uses dialogue or says words to achieve what he wants?
Ma'am, for example, Millie Crocker Harris wanted to be left alone with Frank, so she tells Tableau that I will take the blame. I tell
Okay.
you what, you can do a job for him. Take this
Okay.
prescription to the chemist and get it made up.
Okay. Very good. About Tableau also. Devansh, answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshay, answer. How does the character or how does Tableau, let's take one character, how does Tableau uses dialogue to achieve the objective? So objective of Tableau is to get his remove. Tell me one dialogue from the play that tells you that how he uses dialogue. Devansh, tell me. He says here that I'm still in the lower fifth. I can't specialize until next term. That's to say, if I've got my remove all right. Okay. And Tableau, Frank, when he wants to be more like Crocker Harris, he says words like, can you repeat what you said about Crocker Harris? And he asks questions like, what, does he beat you all? Something like that. Yeah? Is it clear? Diction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, third is spectacle. Spectacle is where. Spectacle is where. Basically the setting. What is the setting of this play? What is the setting of this play?
School.
Public school for boys. Very good. Public school for boys. So that is the setting. Very good. Next, the last element that we have in a play is song. Song. Now here song has two meanings in the play. One is the literal music, literal song that is used in plays. The second is the speech or the tone of the character that tells you something about him. Okay, basically the tone of the character. Okay, so I'll give you one example. On page number 52, Tableau imitates Crocker Harris, right? Tableau imitates Crocker Harris. So that is again the tone of Tableau. Any other examples? Any other examples? Anyone? Any other examples? Himanshu? Arumita? Kanak?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the tone of Tableau in the entire play? Is he happy? Is he sad? So,
Ma'am, he's sad.
okay, so the start the play starts with disappointment tone. That he is disappointed with Crocker Harris that he has not come. And he is not doing his roles. Okay? Disappointment, and he is also critical of Crocker Harris.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Am I audible now? Yeah. So it starts with disappointment. Okay, that he's disappointed with Crocker Harris because he has not received his remove or he has not come on time also. Okay, and he's also critical. Tableau is also critical. Okay, and that ends with him being respectful and obedient. You have to write that. To write the tone of Tableau in the entire play in this. Okay, now that is it for the elements of a play. Now, I'll be uploading a task sheet. Listen very carefully. I'll be uploading a task sheet. In that, there is a table with all the elements of a play. You have to fill that up with the Browning version. Okay, the elements of a play in a Browning version that we have discussed. And you have to turn that in by tomorrow itself. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, open page number 56 in the book. You have to do question number 1, 2, 3, understanding the text in the notebook. Question number 1, 2, 3.
Marked.
Mark? Okay. The words that you have to do, I'll tell you quickly the word meanings also. Open page number 50. Remove. The first word is remove. Remove is basically promotion. Yeah? Remove. Second, page number 51, slackers. Slackers is the one who doesn't do any work or lazy. That is slacker. Then muck. Muck. Muck is rubbish. Muck is rubbish. Then kept in. Kept in. Kept in is basically stay back, to stay late. Next page 52. Got carried away. To be carried away means that basically you're not aware, you're not conscious. Okay, I'm sorry I spoke too much. I just got carried away. Okay. Page number 53. Envy. Envy. To be jealous. Then cut. Cut is to ignore. Then sadist. Sadist is someone who finds pleasure in giving others pain. Shriveled up. Shriveled up to keep everything inside. That's it. Okay. So now, first of all, please complete your notebooks. Okay. Note making, Ailing Planet assignment. Okay. Complete the entire notebook and submit it to me by Monday, or the batch that is coming on Monday. The batch that is coming on Tuesday. Okay. I will not repeat again and again, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'll be taking the attendance now. Akansha,
Present, ma'am.
Arav Grewal, Arav Sharma, Agnish,
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita, Aman,
Present, ma'am.
Anshika, Arumita,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush, Bhavya, Bhadwaj, Bhavya Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Daman, Devansh,
Present, ma'am.
Dishita,
Present, ma'am.
Galaxy, Gautam Kakkar, Gautam Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Jayant, Kanak,
Present, ma'am.
Kanha,
Present, ma'am.
Kunjal,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshay,
Present, ma'am.
Lenoy,
Present, ma'am.
Manav, Pragya, Rishabh, Rohan, Sahi Bisht,
Present, ma'am.
Sahi Sharma, Sanket, Sayam, Shashwat,
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh,
Present, ma'am.
Shriya,
Present, ma'am.
Siddhant Sharma,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Jain, Siddharth Semwal,
Present, ma'am.
Shrishti,
Present, ma'am.
Vani,
Present, ma'am.
Vanshika. Okay, in the next class, we'll be doing the assignment of the Browning version, and that will be the end of the chapter. Is there any doubt in the play?
Ma'am.
Yes.
I'm Gautam Kakkar, present.
You were not there, Gautam?
Ma'am, I was in the class, but before the attendance, I got a call, so I had to put it on hold.
Ma'am, Siddharth is also present.
Yeah, I've marked them. Okay. Now, is there any doubt in the play? Now we'll be ending the play on like the next class that we have tomorrow itself, the assignment. Okay, and then that's it. Okay. Till then, any doubt in the chapter? Dialogue, any word, any character that is not clear? Yes, no, anything?
No,
it's
ma'am.
clear.
Okay. Okay, then I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.